able to actually find this particular truck, which is a Ford Ranger XLT. So in order to find this truck with the specific requirements that we had, we actually used AutoTempest.com. And what we love about the site is that on the left side of the screen, you can actually check boxes of the items that you're after in your particular vehicle that you're looking for. It's even going to look through eBay, cars.com, TrueCar, and all these other marketplaces to provide you links so you can see all those results too. It's your one-stop shop for finding your car. And it allowed us to actually narrow down a search to within 50 miles of our shop here, and we found, I think, 3 trucks. That was perfect because it saved me from having to call around or even drive around to the different dealerships. If you guys haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it. New vehicles, used vehicles, it's fantastic. So it's great to have AutoTempest as a sponsor of our channel and also this video. I'm going to put a link in the description down below. If you're looking for a Ranger, you can just click that link and it's going to show you all the Rangers nationwide that are available for you. So head on over to AutoTempest.com, go check out the Rangers, and let us know if you would have picked a different one.
guys, so my friend from Unique Auto Wraps, once again, Chris, thank you so much. He is gonna be taking our Ranger and he's gonna transform it in just a few days. I don't even know what color this is. It is still sealed, and I have not looked at the label, so I don't know, and I told him not to tell me until it comes back. Another thing, shout out to Windows Tech for supplying this wrap for this vehicle. They are a huge sponsor for us, and we are always impressed by the quality and color. And we're also impressed by Unique Auto Wraps for the way they do the job and so quickly and so sick. See you guys in a few more days. Take this thing from me.
Appreciate it.
See ya.
Thank you.
Say goodbye to the Ranger. Got the call from Unique Auto Wraps. The Ranger is done from being wrapped and he's on his way here right now. They said they're around the corner, so we'll see. Oh! That's different than what I thought.
Dang.
Yo, that shit looks sick.
It's glass.
Oh.
We got two options here that go right now sent out to us.
Alright, Quinn.
Put your thinking cap on.
Which ones? We already all picked, but you're last here, so
These are both side steps,
Yeah.
so we're choosing between these two.
choose in between. They sent two out, we get to choose.
I'm gonna go with these.
Really?
These look more like side steps to me.
Ricky, rock, paper, scissors with Quinn.
We doing one shot, or we doing
Best 2 out of 3.
best 2 out of 3?
Between these two,
Okay.
whoever wins. Ricky's for these, you're for those.
Oh, Jesus. All right.
Oh jeez.
Nope, wait, whoa.
Yeah, Ricky won.
Shoot on three. Shoot on three. Okay. Wait. No. He won the first one, right?
No, I won both.
No, it was best 2 out of 3. These are them.
Sorry, boss. I never lose on rock, paper, scissors.
The running board's won, and we're gonna go ahead and put those nice, sleek looking ones on the side of this. I think it goes with the aesthetics of this car better, so I'm happy. I don't care what you think.
Let's get them on, baby!
Boom, those are done. Nice and easy, especially on a truck, because you can just lay right under it, install these, no problem at all. A couple of tools, a couple of buddies. Now let's move on to the bump step and the crossbars over the bed. All right, we now have our running boards, our crossbars, and our bump step installed. Now it's time to throw on some nice fuel wheels. These are the block beadlocks with some Falcon all-terrain. These are the Wild Peaks. They have awesome grip and all the traction you need off-road, but then also they're nice and quiet for a daily driver use, if that is the way you roll on these.
Yep, these are really good multi-purpose tire for off-road, also for street. Very nice, clean, comfortable ride, and gives you the nice meaty look you want from an off-road tire. So we're gonna throw these on the Ranger. It's gonna look absolutely epic. If you guys are looking for a set of fuel wheels for a limited time, we're gonna be running a free shipping on all fuel wheels. If you guys want, head over to throtl.com, pick up a set for your truck. We also have thousands of other wheels on the site as well if you guys are looking for new wheels for anything, not just the truck. So I'm very excited to see this on. I know the black wheel is going to complement the vinyl wrap very nicely and the whole color scheme we got going for this car. So let's get these things on.
Damn, this truck is looking way different. This is sick. Oh, I like the side steps. These are sick. Damn, I always like black wheels on my cars. This is no exception. Really looks tough with this like kind of army green color too. Totally different truck. These are buff.
Hey, bumpers out in the body shop.
We just gotta get this
Stack
thing
parts.
sprayed. Oh, these are cool.
Mr. Truck.
What do you think, Sean?
Dude, this thing's mint. The wrap color. The wheels are my favorite. Like these wheels, these fuel wheels are literally the best. My truck wheels are coming off. I'm getting a set of these in bronze. Let's go. She looks good.